picking up the flower today. Okay, we got this autumn color again, okay? And dahlia, right? And you can see those colors like from oranges, from red, and then they have some yellows, and then you can find those a lot in the market. It's called flame tips. The very funny name. Like, and this one you will find it like right now in season, and also it's a good flower. It will last quite a bit, and also it's good like an accent color flower to go with your purple and orange palette. The flower shop that she actually saved it for me, and she was like, oh, I know you will probably like those very exotic stuff, and then how about this? I was like, oh, sure. And then we got some maple leaves, just like last time. It's also in season, and then you will see a lot using in the ikebana, and also like a autumn design. Last one, this is one of my favorite. It's eucalyptus, and then it actually gives you a very nice fragrance. Okay, so that's all our flower material today. Start with the leaf, and then slowly adding your flower material. That could be a good idea. Okay.